So today I have 9 cents in my account and I'll be raising it to 411. You should really go in my Telegram group, because later on today I'll be dropping a free tweaked Bollinger Band indicator which you just need to plug in your PC, and it will show you very quick trades for sharp entry, whether they want to scalp or to hold for long hours. I'm sure it will help for those who have very small accounts, so do go in my Telegram group and see for yourself. The links are in the description. So if you want to raise a very small account like this one, you have to do sharp entry. There are 2 types of sharp entry method. The other one which you hold for long hours, and the other one which you scalp for very short seconds. So in this video I'm going to show you both ways. So in order to do that, I want to trade boom and crash, but I can't because of the account size. It will not allow me, so I will use volatility 100s. So pay close attention to what I'm doing here in this 1 minute. So this is a Bollinger Band, right? And I just figured out a very quick trade here, sharp entry. You see there is no reverse, and I've just entered a buy, because when the candles hit a Bollinger Band, most people think it will react by going downwards, but no, it actually does the opposite. Okay, so that's what I did there, and ended right here. You see the first one which touched the Bollinger Band, then the second one actually went down. Most people would buy there, but no, it will go down. You need to buy from the second candle, which I did there. The first one to touch the Bollinger Band, do not react to that, because the second one will blow your account by doing the opposite of what you don't want it to do. So the second one is when you enter your trades. I'm hedging this 23 cents, so now I'm closing the opposite. Now I have 16 cents in my account. Now I have 16 cents. I've hedged it. When you put the opposite orders, the margin tends to grow a bit larger, so that's when it will allow you to put more positions. That's hedging. So you should go in my Telegram group. The link is in the description. I'll be sending the Bollinger Band, which is tweaked, and it can help you. So this is after a lot of time. As you can see, this was a daily time frame which I decided to do the sharp entry. I used the 4-hour and the daily, so I was able to raise it from 16 cents to $10. This was a long sharp entry. This is one of the method I was telling you. I did the first short one at the beginning of the video, and this one is the long one. I'm only using the Bollinger Band. If you haven't noticed, I use the Bollinger Band. It's only this time that I'm going to use trend lines plus Bollinger Band, because you can't all depend on Bollinger Band on every trade. In some trades, yes, you can use the Bollinger Band alone, but in some trades you need to combine it so that you are sure of what you're doing. So I'm going to hedge it again. As you've seen here, I put the opposite orders, and now I'm closing it. Now I have my buy orders in crash 500, crash 300. I'm going to show you the reason why I decided to put my buy orders there, and I've decided to hedge the account from there. I used the H4 and the daily, but for analysis on the trend line I used the 1-hour time frame. Right there, if you see, there is a very good breakout from there, and the price is looking forward to going up. But this is not enough reason for you to buy. This is not enough reason. The trend line alone will blow your account. It's not enough reason. Okay, so in order to see the correct thing, you see I've hedged the account. It's a bit worked up, so I'll close it so that I can hedge it with more bigger positions. As you have seen in my last video, this is what I've always do. I've seen some people say I have gambled in my last videos, but I'm trading another 9 cents in this video again. So would you still call it gambling? I don't know, but as far from my side, this is not gambling. If you are able to do it more than twice, more than 5 times, I don't think that's still gambling if you can do the correct thing again and again and again. Okay, moving on. So I decided to draw this setup so that I can show you the possibility of where this trade is going. But the entry, I did it in H4. That is when I decided to really hedge the account, because that is when price really touched the Bollinger Band at the bottom. So that's why I decided to buy as an advantage, because in H4 the Bollinger Band, the last the bottom Bollinger Band price was there. If you look closely, you can zoom in here. The Bollinger Band was touched by the price, so I decided to buy. So it's going to go up there to the other resistance. So that is why I hedged the account. So I had two reasons: the trend line and the Bollinger Band. So we wait patiently and boom. So from $14 now, it's now in 77, and I closed the orders right away. So from 77, it's easier to go even higher because I can easily hedge it and get more position sizes, which means the price will be moving fast. So now I'm in boom 1000 in H1, and I've never been more sure about the trade than this one as I've ever been. This is a definite sell. I have two reasons again, which is the first reason is the trend line, and the second one is the Bollinger Band. So the Bollinger Band is kind of working to my advantage too. There are scenarios where I just use the Bollinger Band alone, but there are scenarios where I have to use the trend lines too. So I'm sure there are those who are asking in the comment section if the Bollinger Band can be used alone. Yes, they can be, but not every time. Sometimes you need to be really sure of what you're getting yourself into. So I'll now hedge the account again and then close the opposing orders. So here I'm going to draw the trend line. When you're drawing the trend line, make sure you touch the wicks only. The wicks, not the body, the wicks. So there, when you have a pattern like this, the price don't just go up. Price is supposed to go up because it's a bearish flag, but price don't just go up. It has to first retest so that it can get the stop losses of the early buyers. So don't be an early buyer when you see this. You sell because it's going to break that trend line downwards. It's going to break it. When it breaks it, it's going to touch the Bollinger Band. When it touches the Bollinger Band, the next candle will even go down and then go up. So don't be caught in this spider web. Again, do go in my Telegram group so that you can get these setups, because I easily send these signals and people get in to trade their accounts and raise their small accounts. And if you want more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel, this channel, so that every time I post a video, you'll be notified. Okay. So where I put the shadow zone area, that's where the most resistance is. So it will break the trend line a moment and then come back up a little on. So I decided to hedge the account by selling here, by selling deep, because I know the price is not going to go up. It's going to trick those early buyers to blow their accounts. So it has to go down first. If you know that, you will be a very good trader. If you know that the position in the account, so the market will not always go straight where the traders want it to be, you'll be a perfect trader. And you need to know that. You see, after some time it did go down and they have hedged the account. Look, now I'll close. Now I'm in 229. Now that I'm in 229, I'm going to hedge it again because I have 8 minutes left for the candle. The next candle, which is going to react. So I have 8 minutes because this candle is still going down. So in that 8 minutes, I'm going to hedge the account again for the last time. So don't try to hedge your account if you have emotion issues. Don't do that. Just trade with the normal position size and all will be well. But as for me, and now I'll close the buy orders, which allowed me to hedge the account so that the account can accumulate more sell orders and I can get much profit even faster. So don't forget to check my Telegram group. Links is in the description. If you also want to sign up to the broker, it's called the Reef. There's also the link in the description. Go in the description and just tap it. Don't worry, the link works, guys, for my Telegram group. Just make sure you tap the information below the video so that you can see the whole description. This is how it's going so far. I mean, profit. Everyone loves profit. So like I've told you before, when the last candle touches the Bollinger Band, don't be quick to buy just yet, okay?